pipe. The water spout. How exciting.
Can I, what's the storm when I had the flash?
Yeah, so you've got to wait for the flash. And then
Can I have some dinner when I'm watching it?
you wanna have dinner right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's a flash. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. There's a rumble. 5 miles.
The storm clouds did clash.
They clashed, yeah. It's very noisy, isn't it? Oh,
Honey.
yeah. You want to eat your dinner here?
Yes, I'll make them
On the floor, so you... Ooh. Noisy. That's a big one. Wow. That one was about a mile away.
Let's see what's on.
See, my too. Yeah.